Starting YouTube channel in 2026 is easier than ever, but here is the truth most new creators ignore before reaching 100 subscribers. In this video, I will show you step by step method to start a YouTube channel the right way and grow fast. Welcome to Chris Tech Lab, where we help you to learn YouTube growth, discover powerful tips, and build digital skills. If you want to grow your channel fast, make sure you watch this video until the end and remember to subscribe and turn notification. Let's go. The first step is choosing the right niche. There are so many niches on YouTube you can create video related to. When you see on this article, you will see there are 54 YouTube niches for 2026. How to pick the best niche for you to be success. You can come and check this article or other articles. If you scroll down, you will see the YouTube have many niche you can choose from in 2026. Let us see. There are a gaming, niche of gaming. There are niche of music. Also, there are a niche of travel vlogging. There are a niche of fitness. There are so many niche. You can choose your niche depend on the type of video you want to create. Choosing the right niche is very important. Step number 2 is creating YouTube channel. Firstly, before you start, you have an email or account. For the first time after creating your account, you will see this when you open YouTube. You will see this screen or home page. You don't have any video, you don't have something because you are new to YouTube. So to start creating YouTube channel, come and click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, go to create channel. You will see this window appear here, telling you how you will appear. This is where you will put profile picture. Here you will put your name and handle. So let us go step by step how you can do it. First thing you can do is to choose the name of your channel. For me, I want to call this channel Creator Lab. Creator Lab, that is the name of my channel. You will see the YouTube automatically create handle related to my name. It means that they have already created a handle for my channel. After this, you should click create channel. Wait, now you have a channel. Now you have a YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel have created, but there are something missing. There are something very important missing, which is to design your channel to look professional. Let us see how you can design your YouTube channel to look professional. After creating your channel, you can customize your channel to look more professional. First, come on your profile picture, click on YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio. Here in YouTube Studio, scroll down here and click on customization. Here in customization, there are many things here have to change. Make our channel look more professional. First, you have to add channel banner. I have already created the channel banner I want to add. Click upload, then click your channel banner, click open. Now click done. Your channel banner added to your channel. Then add profile picture or logo. Choose your logo in PC. Then click open, click done. Now you will see that your logo was added. Here they are the name. We already added the name before and the handle and the channel description. Channel description, you can customize your channel based on what you will do or your own. After customizing your channel, you can come and click publish. Remember to click publish because if you don't click publish, the changes will not be made. Click publish and wait. Click to view channel. Now you see that the profile picture was added to your channel Creator Lab. Keep refreshing. Yes. Now you will see that your channel have channel banner and profile picture, which is look like professional YouTube channel. So let us continue for the next step. Step number 3 is using a simple GIA. Many people think they need an expensive GIA to start a YouTube channel, but that is not. You can even start with the GIA you have. For example, to record a video, you can use your phone or use digital camera. If you have it, it is better. But if you don't have a digital camera, you can even use your phone. That smartphone you have, you can use it for filming or recording your video. For recording an audio, you can use microphone to improve your audio. You can use lavalier microphone, Rode microphone, or whatever. Pay attention to audio. You must have better audio and good audio. Pay attention to the audio quality and video quality. That is matter. Step number 4 is learning basic video editing. Learning basic video editing is a crucial for a new creators. To have your video with high quality, you must edit your video after recording in pre-production. You can use even pre-editing software like CapCut, which is more popular. You can use it, it is free. You can use it to edit your video as a professional. You can start for simple editing, like adding text highlight to your video, adding a background music, and removing wrong pauses. When you are talking in the video and you are pausing it, you must remove it in CapCut, and you must add background music to make it good. Step number 5 is creating clickable thumbnail. Clickable thumbnail is what makes people want to see what is in your video. So your thumbnail decide if people click or not. Pro tips for clickable thumbnail: you must use bright colors, you must use big text, you must use emotional expression, and you must use don't put too many things on its thumbnail. A good thumbnail, that is the one that have too many things on it. You may use Canva to design your thumbnail. Canva is better for creating a YouTube thumbnail. Step number 6 is optimizing your video with search engine optimization. YouTube is the second highest search engine in the world after Google. So you must use your video and optimize it with search engine optimization. How to do it? Optimize your video. You must use searchable titles. Searchable titles with a keyword. Add a keyword in your titles. Add the keyword also in your video description. You must add tags and hashtags, so it will help the people to find you. Very simple. And you must use video chapters. Video chapters is what shows in this time, from this time up to this time we are talking about this, and so on. That is video chapters, and you add it in description. That is a crucial, and that is very important for beginner creators. The last step, which is 7, is to be consistent. Many YouTubers, when they are starting their YouTube channel, they start uploading. After few times they don't upload as regular as when they were starting. That is not a good for YouTube recommendation. The secret for success on YouTube is be consistent. You must upload at least 1 or 2 videos per week and keep doing it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe for more YouTube tips and tech tutorials, and if you want to learn the best AI tools for creators, watch the next video in this channel.